repairing an animatronic fursuit head. And you think it's easy. This one I just finished this year. I had to service one of the switches burned out. There's the parts to it. Couldn't handle the stresses. And one of the cords came apart with a snarl. It only had a half snarl. What you're seeing right here is the guts of the Fennec. That's the loading spring there. The jaw is completely detached. Well, I had to replace the gimbal drive as well. That's the tongue there. That's what it looks like. Those are two pipes that transfers air. There's holes on either side for the driver to be. Ears not only fold down, but they gimbal back and fold back. I finally fixed it. There's a lot of headaches. This guy here makes the snarl work. The motor has been modified heavily. That's the inner gear. It's got 1 1/8 inch pull. This fits inside the head. This guy here also goes inside. That's part of the muzzle. These pieces here took several months to build. Everything you see is handcrafted. Nothing is machined or bought off the shelf. These are hand ground teeth. Those are the switches I press with my tongue to activate the circuits inside the head. Makes the eyes work. This is the part right here that folds over. This lip here gets attached to the loading spring. That's what makes it snarl. How it bears its teeth. These are like muscle fibers. 65-pound test line, otherwise known as spiderweb. Mirror tools here, sprays, whatnot. Made a quick document how to reset the strings. That's the gimbal. All the pieces. I have photographs of it on this gimbal. That'll display. I should have my camera ready. Pretty much of a kitchen here, folks. I took snapshots of it. Since I don't know how to computer edit these TV sets. Okay. That's the, oops. That's the inside, the guts there. I took several pictures of it. I should post them on FA real soon. I had some pictures of the gimbal, but I didn't. So far, just replaced the gimbal. Took me like 6 hours. This here took me all day. Just taking it apart. Get some light on the subject. That's what it looks like inside. You can see all the drivers in there. That's the bulkhead right here I'm pointing to. That prevents any moisture, anything crap gets inside there. That's the gimbal back in there. Buried. That's the cord you see going into it. All the little goodies in there. So I got the thing apart. That's one part right there. There's actually 4 motors in this thing altogether. That was an all-day job just on this. This little bit of technology right here is all analog. No computers, nothing. Just a simple switch, battery, motor. That's the engine right there. The Maxstar motors with the gearbox has been modified. This got to pull a great deal of muscle power, strength. Has to pull about 5 pounds. Those ears needs 15 pounds of pressure to get them to drop. I'll post the videos pretty soon here, and I thought I'll let you know how this stuff works. It takes a while. It took about a year worth of research just to get this thing to do this. I hope this was informative. I'll catch you at the next con, folks. Bye.